people think they have a focus problem. They don't. They have a distraction problem. Think about it. A few years ago, you could sit through a movie without checking your phone. You could study for an hour without opening 5 different apps. You could have a conversation without feeling the urge to check a notification. So what changed? Somewhere along the way, your brain got addicted to stimulation. Every scroll, every notification, every short video, your brain learned to expect entertainment every few seconds. And that's exactly why focus feels so difficult today. Because focus and stimulation cannot exist at the same time. The more stimulation you consume, the harder it becomes to sit with something that requires effort. Studying, reading, learning a skill, working on your goals. And this is where most people get stuck. They think they need more motivation. They don't. They need fewer distractions. Because your brain follows a simple rule. It chooses the activity that gives the biggest reward with the least amount of effort. That's why scrolling feels easy, but building a better life feels hard. And if you don't fix this, your attention gets weaker every year. So how do you take control again? Step 1, stop starting your day with your phone. The first thing you consume in the morning often controls your attention for the rest of the day. If your day starts with reels, your brain spends the entire day looking for more stimulation. Protect your first hour. Step 2, train your focus like a muscle. Most people try to focus for an hour immediately. That's a mistake. Start with 10 minutes. Just 10. No phone, no distractions. Then slowly increase the time. Because focus isn't something you find. It's something you build. And here's the most important step. Step 3, get comfortable being bored. This sounds simple, but it's one of the most powerful skills you can develop. Every time you feel bored, you immediately reach for your phone. But boredom is where focus begins. Because when your brain stops receiving constant stimulation, it starts paying attention again. And that's when deep work becomes possible. The truth is, you weren't born unable to focus. Your brain was simply trained to chase distractions. And if it can be trained one way, it can be trained back. So start small, reduce distractions, protect your attention, and practice focus every single day. Comment focus if you're ready to take control of your attention.